And let me tell you something. Most of you think that life throwing punches at you is the worst thing in the world. That's not the issue. That's life for everybody. Everybody gets hit in the face a whole bunch of times by life. The issue is that you have stopped fighting back. You're just taking punches. And that's why life is whooping your ass every single day. You're just lying there and taking it. You stop fighting. And let me tell you another thing. I ain't gonna let nothing or nobody hit me in the face without me getting my licks back. And that goes for life included. Life has hit me a lot with a whole bunch of stuff. And when I had the victim's mindset, when I thought about the pain, and I thought about why me? Why is the Lord testing me this way? Why is everything happening to me? I didn't fight. I didn't go and try to get my licks back. So life just kept on going. Mike Tyson flow, every haymaker, I'm getting hit with everything. Right? And I'm just taking it. And then at the lowest point in my life, I had to make a decision. So you know what? I'm tired of getting hit in the face all the time. I'm tired of just sitting here and taking the pain and taking all this shit. I'm gonna start fighting back. Because to be honest with y'all, this is a fight for your life. I know that you want to be successful. I know that you want to have all these things, but you got to be willing to fight for it. You got to be willing to go to that point for the things that you want. You got to be able to fight for your life. And the issue is you haven't been fighting for your life. You've been throwing in the towel. You don't want to go no more rounds with life no more. And that's why life is bullying you, because you ain't stepping up to life. You're not taking life by the throat. And a bully is going to keep bullying somebody until the victim stands up for themselves. And I'm telling you to stand up for yourself. I'm telling you to fight for the life that you want. Don't let life just punch you in the mouth without you getting your licks back. I need you to get that alpha mentality. We're gonna go blow for blow. Yeah, you got me good a whole bunch of times, but I'm coming back. We're gonna go, what's up? What's up? And then you gotta start going at it. It's a simple concept, guys. And I want you to understand that. I want you to keep that in your brain. Continue to fight for your life. That's the only reason why you haven't gotten the things that you want, because you stopped fighting. It doesn't matter how much potential you have. It doesn't matter how big your dreams are. All those things are gonna die. All those things are not gonna matter, because you just continue to allow life to punch you in your mouth without you getting your licks back. And starting today, we're gonna work on getting our licks back in life. They knock you down, you try to knock life down. They come at you with some energy, you bring that same energy back. And that's all I gotta say to y'all. I just want y'all to know that you are in control. You have more control than you think. Of course, situations are gonna happen and you can't control those things. But your attitude, your energy, how you perceive that situation, how you let that situation affect you, that's up to you. No matter how much you try to deny it, that is your job. Don't let life hit you in the mouth no more. Get your licks back, man. Get your licks back. Really get your licks back, man. Like, really get your licks back. I'm dead serious. Get your licks back. Stop letting life punch you in your face.